What's up, guys? So it's Sunday, June 7th, out here in the morning. My buddy's actually working on this W900 mid-roof that my buddy's wanting to buy. So we're out here looking it over, going over a few things. He's gonna make a deal on this truck and that covered wagon because he needs a flatbed. So, but this is a 2004 Kenworth W900 mid-roof with a single turbo C15 that's been converted 4.25 horse. Yeah, like I said, 18 speed. Truck has been down for a little while. You see, we got some oil leaks. I know this truck had an overhaul about 100,000 miles ago, but it's been a couple of years. But it looks like possibly we got a head gasket oil leak on this bad Larry. So if he buys it, it's going to come to the shop, and we'll haven't decided if we're going to overhaul it or just tear the head off and put a new head on it and a head gasket. He's not sure what he wants to do, so we'll go from there once he gets it. They've got the price figured out and the money and all this other stuff, so I'm just kind of out here going over it. It's a decent truck. It's got good bones. Frame needs a little bit of love, but knowing him, he's going to stretch it. His other truck is a 342 wheelbase. It has the sliding window and the sleeper. Pretty cool. Nice big stacks. I think he wants taller ones. He wants to put stainless steps on it. New bumper. The hood's going to have to get repainted, as you can tell. Well, she does run. She runs pretty good. Interior's pretty clean on it. Got the sunroof in it. That's pretty cool. Still plenty of room. His other truck is the Purple Palace Love, the big studio sleeper, so he wants something a little smaller. So, like I said, we're out here working on this one. So, probably start it up, let it run, let it build air. When you think you're done with W900s, one comes back into your life. But actually, I got a few more coming back into my life because the guy that actually owns this truck owns all those old cab overs and that old truck that we thought was a Peterbilt that was out in the field, but it's actually a 55 Kenworth. He's got one that's semi-restored in this building over here. That was just a parts truck, so we'll go ahead and get it fired up and go from there. Oh, the old girl's running. Oil level's good. We got the coolant topped off. Didn't spill a drop. You know, we're pretty good without a funnel. Didn't spill a drop of that coolant anywhere. So, water pump's working, circulating. AC's cold. So, I mean, really, other than tires, these oil leaks, and there's something else. Oh, it's probably going to need brakes all the way around just because I would do it. Probably do all the wheel seals too. But kind of liking this truck. He's taking this trailer too. The trailer needs a little bit of work. 48 foot right now. So, is this on tall rubber or no? Or is this on 22? No, it's on 24.5s. You know me, I love Kenworths, Peterbilts. So we'll be having some content coming with this truck if they secure the deal. Like, the deal is about 99% going to go through, so we'll be doing some content with this. Oh, there's another thing I want to show you. This grill. The grill in this truck is cool. All the little Kenworth logos. So I think maybe I'll get it picked up this week and then we'll get it over to my shop and see how it goes. That was a short video, guys. Thanks for watching.